Hi there, it's me again, but this time this will be a short review of an unusual butterfly knife. That one is usual butterfly knife, and this one is unusual. Although this knife has a belt clip and look like a bicycle wrench, it's not why is this knife unusual. Usual knife, you open it on usual way. But this knife, you open it laterally. And due to that construction, this knife is more sturdy when using, almost like a full tank knife, and have a pretty comfortable grip. And with these small screws inside and outside, you adjust tensions and what brand is this? I do not know. Here is printed Columbia, but it's not Columbia River Knife and Tools, and American flag, although I'm not sure this is from USA. I do not know what brand is this, but it's full steel construction and pretty good steel. How much you have to pay for this knife? Well, I don't know how much it costs in your country, but I could bought 3 ordinary butterfly knives for this unusual. Does it worth that money? For me, yes. I wish that knife, I had the money, and I bought it. That's all, folks, and thanks for watching.